Evening, guys. This is Bill Rose, and this is your weather outlook for this week until Sunday. Um, Tomorrow, Tuesday, expect rain to start about 9 p.m., and I'm going to show that to you here in a second. You know what's going to bring this rain in our jet stream and our mid-level flow. And let's go ahead and get to that real quick. Right here, you can see this low that's going to be moving in tomorrow, and then right beneath Illinois, right there. You can see where it's going. And that's what's going to be bringing in our rain as far as tomorrow going into Wednesday. Really quick, I'm going to show you here on the map. And let me get my draw tool out and mark Chester right there. That's about the perfect circle right there. Just kidding. Anyways, gonna put it in motion, and that is 9 o'clock tomorrow, the 28th, on Tuesday, and we're gonna move it, and it's gonna go pretty much all night long and clear out on Wednesday. Looks like at least by 11 o'clock. The timing when it starts on Tuesday varies between models. I am going with the NAM 3 kilometer model. That seems to be the better one of the three, as far as showing when the rains are going to start and when they're going to end. So we're going to have a lot of rain starting tomorrow in the evening time, going all the way through Wednesday until about 11 o'clock on Wednesday. And that's what's going to be our weather. Now, as far as the temperatures, let's go ahead and get to that. Right now, let me go ahead and get my draw tool out again. It's 50 degrees right now. Overcast clouds Monday. 52 is your high with a low of 50. Tuesday, a high 59 and a low of 48, and that's when your rain is going to be going into Wednesday. High 54, low 43. Thursday, a high 57, a low of 39. Friday, a high 63, a low of 39. And Saturday, a high 52, a low of 41. And Sunday, a high of 57 and a low of 46. What's going on currently on the radar? And let me go ahead and get to my MRMS radar. And right now, most of the rain that we've got going on is in Kentucky, around Maysville, going into around Knoxville, and then into Greensboro and Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh. And that's as far as your rain. We might have a little bit of showers there in Tampa, Florida, Texas, and New Mexico. We do have a freeze watch, and that will be the eastern part of New Mexico and the western part of Texas. And we do have a little bit of a free watch in Kansas. The only severe thunderstorm warning we got right now, and we do have a special weather statement also, and that's going to be in Colorado. There ain't too many towns around there. Fondas, Colorado, Simla, and then right there, just south of Hugo, if I can pronounce this right, Boyero in Colorado. Right now, they got the severe thunderstorm warning. We also do have a freeze watch in Canyon City and Florence in Colorado. And that is about it as far as your watch. We do have, like I said, the rain showers right now. We do have some freeze warning in Colorado. Also in Utah. And we do have some showers up in the Dakotas. And that's about it. We also do have a hurricane. It's going to be hitting Montego Bay and Kingston as a Category 4, and then Guantanamo Bay um, as a Category 3. And that's it as far as the weather or current weather right now. You guys have a good night, and I will talk to you next Sunday.